too. I love Halloween.
Like father, like daughter. Yes, sir.
Where are you going? Going up? Oh, sige. Okay, you go.
Bye, Rafael.
I've got something new for this year's Spooky Spectacular.
What is it?
Wait here.
A jack-o'-lantern? But we have a ton of
Go
those
up na.
already.
Not like this
Ano
one.
yata mo?
Motion sensor. When someone walks by,
Scary.
Oh, up. Up.
my turn.
Okay, go, go. Kamu. Go up na ka. Yata bisa ki.
Hey, it's not working.
Wala mo ba? Wala din.
I'll be right back.
Dad, can I take this to the clinic? See if I can figure out why it isn't working?
Sure enough, I don't know anyone good at fixing
Go up na ka.
Me neither. As far as I know, I'm the best
Up.
cleaner
Up. Down. Going up. Going up. Down. Go. Go up.
Happy Halloween, Doc. Happy Halloween, everyone. I love costumes. Thanks, Doc. Me too. I love mine too.
Up.
What are you dressed up as?
Snowman?
What? You look great.
Oh, thanks.
Kids starting to trick or treat yet?
Kung kaya masuhay ka niya.
I love seeing everyone's costumes. Not yet, but they'll start soon.
Mayari niya kayo pagkanyo.
Hi, Rafael.
Hi, Rafael.